In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to get leads from Apollo.io and export as CSV file. We'll begin right inside Apollo.io on the Prospect and Enrich area. This is where you can browse or refine a list of contacts that match your criteria. Before you export, make sure the results on your screen already reflect the filters you care about, things like role, industry, location, or email verification status. So the file you download is immediately useful. Keep an eye on your plan limits and credits, since exporting leads can consume them. Once your results look good, use the checkbox at the very top of the list to select everything that's currently visible on the page. Selecting from the header is a quick way to grab all rows without clicking each one individually. After you check that box, Apollo will show a prompt offering to extend the selection to all matching results, not just the first page. Click Apply to select all. This ensures your export includes the entire set, even if it spans multiple pages. It's a good moment to glance at the total count so you know how many contacts you're exporting and whether that fits your credit and file size expectations. With everything selected, look for the export option on the page. Click Export to open the export choices. From there, choose Export as CSV. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a simple file format that opens cleanly in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most CRMs. It's ideal when you want to clean data, segment lists, or import leads elsewhere. If Apollo provides export settings, stick with CSV for the widest compatibility. And remember that the export typically includes standard contact and company fields based on what Apollo makes available. After you choose CSV, click Save to start the download. Your browser will handle the file the same way it handles other downloads, usually to your default downloads folder. If prompted, confirm the file name and location so you can find it later. Once the file finishes downloading, you can quickly spot check a few rows to confirm the columns and values. Look right before sharing it with your team or importing it into your CRM. That's all there is to it. Open Prospect and Enrich, select your list with the top checkbox, apply the selection to all results, export, pick CSV, and save. With this workflow, you'll have a clean portable file of Apollo, leads you can use immediately in your sales process.